'cause it's the end of time. Mississippi River is a going prime. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you only get mugged if you go downtown. I live out in the woods, you see, my lady and kids and dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can't survive. Country boys can't survive. I plow a field all day long. I catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and everything else too. There ain't too many things these boys and girls can't do. We grow big old tomatoes, we make homemade wine, and country boys can't survive. Country boy can't survive. You can't stop us out, you can't make us run. We live on love and a great daddy gun. We say grace, we say man. If you ain't into that, don't give a damn. We came from the West Virginia coal mines, the Rocky Mountains and the Montana mountainside. We can skin a buck, run a trot line, and country folks can survive. Country boys can survive. I had a good friend in New York City. Never call me Bo, Seepers call me Hillbilly. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land. Mike's taught him to be a businessman. He used to send me pictures of the Broadway nights. I sent him some homemade muscadine wine. He was killed by a dude with a switchblade knife for $43. Mike lost his mind. I'd like to spit some red man in that dude's eyes. Give him a clip from this 45. Country boy can't survive. Country boys can't survive. You can't stop us out. You can't make us run. With your old boys right on the road. We say bachelor man. I got girls that can cook, girls that can clean, girls that can change his guitar strings. Gotta get ready, make everything right. All my rowdy friends are coming over tonight. Do you wanna drink? Do you wanna party? This ain't no rookie, this is me. Yeah, we're gonna get your motor started. We got a pig in the ground, beer on ice. All my rowdy friends are coming over tonight. My party pads way out in the woods. It's a long way from here to Hollywood. I got some natural queens out on the floor. Miss Mississippi just walked through the door. I got a little girl who's made for 10. You can jump out, you can jump in. You can do anything that you want to do. Don't you step on my cowboy boot. Do you want to drink? Woo! Do you want to party? Hey, honey, this is Low Hank. Yeah, we're gonna get your motor started. Got a pig in the ground, beer's on ice. All my rowdy friends are coming over tonight. Now, do you wanna drink? Do you wanna party? This is Low Hank. Yeah, we're gonna have a little guitar party. We got a pig in the ground, beer on ice. All my rowdy friends are coming over tonight. Come on in.
Well, I'm just so proud to be here, and I've been blessed in a lot of ways. Number one, I was blessed because I was the son of Hank Williams. Number two, I was really blessed being around all these great songwriters and musicians I could steal from, which I stole everything I could from.
I'm still doing that.
I want to try to pay back a little bit to some of you guys. All my rowdy friends have settled down. And seem to be more into laid-back songs. Nobody wants to get drunk and get loud. Everybody wants to go back home. I myself have seen my wilder days, and I have seen my name at the top of the page. But I need to find some friends just to run around. Nobody wants to get high on the town. And all my rowdy friends have settled down. Yes, and I think I know what my daddy meant when he sang about a lost highway. No, George Jones, I'm glad to see his finally getting straight. Waylon staying home and loving Jesse Moore these days. And nobody wants to get drunk and to get away. And all my rowdy friends have settled down. I think I know what my daddy meant when he sang about the lost highway. Oh, Chris is a movie star, Willie's in L.A. Johnny Cash don't act like he did back in '68. Nobody wants to get drunk and get loud.
All my rowdy friends have settled down.